Hello guys, hope you are doing well. Welcome back to this new episode. In this new episode, you are going to learn fair value gap. Okay, so let's dive in. Okay, here we are. What is FVG? An FVG is fair value gap. That's how we call it. An FVG is an imbalance in price where the market moves too fast and leaves a gap between candles. It shows that price didn't trade fairly on both sides, so the market often comes back later to fill the gap. In simple terms, an FVG is an imbalance zone that price likes to return to. Okay, let me show you this bearish example. What did we see? We have bearish candles, right, and a little space right here. That's what we call FVG. This gap shows an imbalance where price moves too quickly, leaving an area with no trading, and the market often returns to this zone to rebalance. How do I spot my fair value gap? I simply use 3 candles. Like in this example here, what did we see? We have 1, 2, 3 candles, 3 bearish candles, right? So how do I spot my fair value gap? I simply use the low of the first candle and the high of the third candle, and this space that you are seeing, that's where the fair value gap is created. That's what we call a fair value gap. Imbalance, you can call it imbalance if you want. I call it fair value gap. Okay, so in this bullish scenario, we have 3 bullish candles, right? What do? We mark the high of the first candle and the low of the third candle. What did you see? We leave a space here. That's what we call a fair value gap. Okay, this gap shows an imbalance where price moves too quickly, leaving an area with no trading, and the market often returns to this zone to rebalance. All right, hope it makes sense. So let's move to trading view. Let me show you some real examples. Okay, here we are in trading view. What did we see here? We have 1, 2, 3 candles, right? So what you are going to do, you mark the high of the first candle and the low of the third candle. I use rectangle to mark my fair value gap like this. You see this space that you are seeing here, that's what we call fair value gap. Okay, what did you see? The market push higher and pull back. After filling the fair value gap, the market reverses with a lot of volume. Okay, so let me show you the next example. Okay, here we have nice imbalance, nice fair value gap. What did we see? We have 1, 2, 3 candles. It doesn't necessarily need to be the same color. Okay, I'll mark the high of the first candle. What is that? Okay, the high of the first candle and the low of the third candle. Okay, then use rectangle to mark the fair value gap. You see, what did we see here? The market pull back and mitigate the fair value gap, then reverse to the upside like this. Stop loss will be right here. Our take profit will be right here. You see, hope it makes sense. So that's how I mark my fair value gaps. That's how I spot them. And I have one more important rule, is I only trade fair value gap that are in the direction of market structure and after liquidity has been taken. Okay, like what did we see here? We have liquidity sweep. And the second example too, we have liquidity sweep here. You see, we have liquidity sweep here, and we have a break of structure here. We also have a break of structure here, change of character. So what did we see? We sweep liquidity, we break structure, we leave a fair value gap here, the price pull back and mitigate the fair value gap, then reverse to the upside with a lot of volume. You see, it's reversed with a lot of volume. So that's how I spot fair value gap, and that's how I trade with fair value gap. Hope it makes sense, and thank you for watching this video. If you learn a lot of things in this video, subscribe, like, and leave a comment. See you in the next episode.